Good morning students. In previous lecture we study about the length, and in this lecture we will study about the measurement of area. Now your first is that is measurement of area. And what is your area? Area is the surface, this is your surface occupied by an object in a plane is called its area. Amount of surface occupied by an object in a plane. In a plane, the surface occupied by an object is the area. And what is the SI unit of area? The standard unit of area, that is meter square. Unit of length is meter, and unit of area, your area is equal to length into length, that is unit of area is meter into meter, that is meter square. So what is the unit of area? Unit of area is meter square. So this is your unit of area. The standard unit of area is square meter and written as meter square. Now define 1 meter square. What is your 1 meter square? 1 meter square is an area occupied by a square whose side is equal to 1 meter. So this is your area of square with side 1 meter. This is your square and side of square is 1 meter. So what is the area of this square? Area of this square, this is the area of square, and this area is equal to side into side, and side is 1 meter, that is 1 meter into 1 meter, that is 1 meter square. 1 meter square is the area of square surface having side 1 meter. This is the definition of meter square. If there is question that is defined 1 meter square, what is your 1 meter square? A square meter or 1 meter square is the area of a square surface having side of 1 meter. Larger area are described in term of bigger unit. For example, 1 kilometer square. In 1 kilometer square, side of square is 1 kilometer. Side of square is 1 kilometer. In that case, area of a square surface is 1 kilometer square. This is your bigger area. And some other example, that is first of all we studied 1 kilometer square. What the relation between 1 kilometer square and meter square? The value of k is 1000. Therefore 1 into 1000 meter whole square. The square of 1000, that is 10 lakh. This is your 10 lakh meter square. Therefore 1 kilometer square is equal to 10 lakh meter square. And another bigger unit of area, that is acre. 1 acre is equal to 100 meter square, and that is 10 की power 2 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 100 into 100 meter square, that is 10,000 meter square, or we can say that 10 की power 4 meter square. This is your relation. And your bigger unit of area, first of all your bigger unit of area, that is 1 kilometer square. What is the relation between 1 kilometer square and meter square? So your 10 की power 6 meter square. 1 kilometer square is equal to 10 की power 6 meter square. Then 1 acre is equal to 10 की power 2 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10 की power 4 meter square. This is your bigger area, and we relate this area in term of meter square, or we convert this area in term of meter square. The area of smaller object are expressed in term of smaller unit. For example, small area, we represent small area in centimeter square or millimeter square. That is, smaller object are expressed in term of smaller unit, that is sub multiple of meter square. centimeter square and millimeter square is the sum multiple of meter square. Now, what is the relation between meter square and centimeter square or centimeter square and millimeter square? This is the relation between centimeter square and millimeter square. 1 meter square, 1 meter square means 1 meter into 1 meter. Convert 1 meter into centimeter. 1 meter contain 100 centimeter. 1 meter contain 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and second 1 meter is also equal to 100 centimeter. So, 1 meter into 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. After multiplication, there is 10 की power 4 centimeter square. Therefore, 1 meter square is equal to 10 की power 4 meter centimeter square. 1 meter square is equal to 10 की power 4 centimeter square. Next is, what is the relation between centimeter square and millimeter square? 1 centimeter square means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Convert centimeter into mm, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. Therefore, 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter. What your multiplication result? That is 10 into 10, that is 100 millimeter square. Therefore, 10 की power 2 millimeter square. 1 millimeter square is equal to 10 की power 4 centimeter square, and 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 की power 2 millimeter square. So, this is the relation between meter square and centimeter square and millimeter square, and this is your sum multiples of meter square. When we determine the area of small quantity, then we express the area in term of centimeter square and millimeter square. Next is measuring the area of regular surface. Measuring the area of regular surface, there are two methods to measure the area of regular surface. First is geometrical method and second is graphical method. Here we will discuss the geometrical method, and the area of regular surface can be determined by using appropriate mathematical formula based on its geometry. Here we determine the area of regular surface, and this is your some regular surface. First is area of square, then area of rectangle, area of triangle, area of circle. So, what is the area of square? Area of square is equal to side multiplied by side, that is, this is your length and this is your breadth. The area of square is equal to length into breadth or side into side, that is side ka square. So, length of side ka square of length of side, that is the area of square. What is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is length into breadth. What is the area of triangle? Area of triangle, this is the area of triangle, is equal to half base into perpendicular distance. So, your BC is the base, this is your base, and this is the perpendicular distance. So, what is the area of triangular surface? That is half into base into perpendicular, that is half BC into AD. So, this is your area of triangular surface. Last is area of circular surface, this is your circular surface, and area of circular surface is equal to pi into square of radius, that is pi r square. This is your radius of circle, and area is equal to area of circle is pi r square. So, with the help of geometrical method, we can easily determine the area of given geometry with the help of mathematical formula. Area of square is equal to side into side, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, area of triangle is equal to base into perpendicular distance, area of circle is pi r square. These are the some formulas. With the help of these formulas, we can determine the area of regular surface. Next is numerical problems. Your first numerical problem is calculate the area of rectangular surface having length 20 centimeter and breadth 10 centimeter. Rectangular surface, this is your rectangular surface having length 20 centimeter, length of rectangular surface is 20 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. What is the area? This is your area, and with the help of mathematical formula we can determine the area, and this area is equal to length into breadth. What is your length? Length is 20 and breadth is 10. Therefore, area is equal to length of rectangle into breadth of rectangle. Length is 20 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Therefore, 200 and centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. Your area of rectangle is 200 centimeter square. Next is the length of rectangular field is 55 meter. Length of rectangular field is 55 meter and breadth is 40 meter. And breadth is 40 meter. What is the formula or area of field? This is your area of field, and this area is equal to length into breadth, that is 55 into 40. And after multiplication of 55 meter into 40 meter, that is 2200 meter square. This is your area of field. The area of field is equal to 2200 meter square. If you want to convert, your next question is calculate its area in acre and hectare. The area of field in acre, to divide this term by 100 meter square, and your area in acre, that is 22 acre. So this is your area of field in term of acre, and in hectare is equal to divide this term 22 acre with hectare with 100, that is 0.22 hectare. Because in the starting of this lecture we study the relation between meter and hectare, and meter square and acre. 1 acre is equal to 10 की power 2 meter square and 1 hectare is equal to 10 की power 4 meter square. So with the help of these relation we can convert the area into acre and hectare. Thank you students. If there is any doubt, please contact with me. Thank you.